Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use time displacement in After Effects. First, let's understand the core concept. Time displacement is a powerful effect that shifts pixels in your footage based on the luminance values of a control layer. Essentially, darker areas of your control layer push pixels backward in time, while brighter areas pull them forward. This creates fascinating motion distortions and can lead to truly unique, abstract visual effects. It's a fantastic way to add dynamic movement to static images or enhance existing video. To begin, open After Effects and create a new composition. Drag your main footage or image into the timeline. Next, you'll need a control layer. This can be a simple solid, a gradient, or even a complex fractal noise animation. The luminance of this layer will dictate the displacement. It's a good practice to pre-compose your control layer, giving you more control and keeping your main composition tidy. This setup is crucial for the effect to work correctly. Now let's apply the effect. Select your main footage layer in the timeline. Navigate to the Effect menu, then Time, and choose Time Displacement. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Displacement Map layer drop-down and select your pre-composed control layer. Crucially, adjust the max displacement time value. A value of, say, 2 seconds means pixels can be displaced up to 2 seconds forward or backward, creating a significant visual impact. Experiment with this setting to find your desired intensity. To truly bring your effect to life, animate the properties of your control layer. For instance, animating the evolution of a fractal noise layer will create evolving displacement. Also, fine-tune the displacement map black and displacement map white values to control the contrast of your displacement map, which directly impacts the effect's strength. Don't be afraid to experiment with various control layers, like animated masks or text, to discover a wide range of unique and compelling visual outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.